State officials will release 2,500 new vaccine appointments tomorrow. Good evening. I'm Mike Montecalvo.
And I'm Shannon Heggie. These appointments will be for the Woonsocket, South County, Saconaset, and Middletown sites.
We have live team coverage of the latest on the vaccinations here in Rhode Island. 12 News reporter Brandon Trude is live at the State House with why one group says people of color are being left behind in the vaccination efforts.
But first, let's get right to Anita Buffoni for details on the state's new vaccine eligibility timeline. Anita?
Shannon and Mike, with the accelerated timeline, the state is on track to open eligibility to everyone 16 and older by April 19th. The health department says once you become eligible, you should be able to get an appointment within 1 to 2 weeks. The vaccine eligibility timeline has accelerated significantly from the state's original plan. This means the next age group, those 50 to 59 years old, can sign up for an appointment beginning April 5th. The next age group, 1 week after that. Governor Dan McKee at the weekly briefing said this will be made possible with the boost in vaccine supply from the federal government.
Dr. Alexander Scott and I were on a call with the White House this week, and we feel as though that the volume and the supply is going to continue to increase, and that's great news.
2 new mass vaccination clinics will open up this weekend. The South Kingstown site on Saturday and Woonsocket location on Sunday. Both will each have 400 doses available, and appointments will open up Friday at 5 on the state's website. And to make signing up easier, a pre-registration system has now launched.
We will send you a notification when an appointment is available for you. This appointment will be for a given day at a given site.
The pre-registration is not required. It's just one option. You can still sign up for an appointment on your own at vaccinateri.org or through pharmacies and regional clinics. And again, in total, the Department of Health says around 2,500 appointments will be posted Friday between most of the state's mass vaccination sites. A health department spokesperson tells 12 News this should be the last week for a while. The supply of first doses will be constrained. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.
About 2,500 appointments will go up tomorrow at 4 Rhode Island mass vaccination sites, 2 of which are opening this weekend.
The health department also says they're expecting to have a lot more of the first doses after this week's tight supply. Today they released an updated timetable for when everyone still waiting for a shot will be able to sign up for one.
12 News reporter Anita Buffoni tells us about that and what else was announced at today's briefing. Anita?
Hi, Mike and Shannon. The timeline has accelerated significantly from the state's original plan. The next eligible age group can sign up for a vaccine April 5th. The governor and health department made this move in order to support their goal to make all adults eligible by April 19th. The state is adjusting their vaccination timeline and is on track to open eligibility to everyone 16 and older by April 19th. The compressed timeline will allow the next eligible age group, those 50 to 59 years old, to make an appointment the first full week of April, the next age group 1 week after that.
We are confident that most people in each age group will be able to have an appointment within a week or 2 after they become eligible.
An expected boost in vaccine supply from the federal government will help make this possible. More shots means more appointments, and the 2 new mass vaccination clinics in Woonsocket and South Kingstown are set to open this weekend. Hundreds of appointments for those 2 sites will become available Friday at 5, and signing up for an appointment at the mass vaccination clinics will get easier. A pre-registration system is now operational. It will send you a notification either by phone, text, or email when an appointment is available for you with the given date and location.
If you prefer to not pre-register, you can still go on to make an appointment through vaccinateri.org or through one of our pharmacy partners.
Starting April 7th, roughly 50% of appointments at the mass vaccination sites will be reserved for those who pre-registered. Now, health leaders say we are not out of the woods yet. There is a significant presence of the COVID-19 variant in Rhode Island. They estimate roughly 40% of all positive cases are variant cases. Luckily, the DOH says the vaccine is believed to protect against the other strains. I'm Anita Buffoni, 12 News.